Hello and welcome back to Alpha English Learning. I'm Emily, and I'm truly happy that you're here. In this lesson, I'll speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat important ideas, so you can understand everything clearly. Our goal today is to help you practice listening and speaking together. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Part 1, Introduction to the Problem. Today's topic is one of the most common questions from English learners. How can I think in English? How can I stop translating from my native language? Maybe this happens to you too. You hear or say something in English, but your brain first thinks in your own language, then translates it to English. That's completely normal. Many people face the same problem. But here's the good news. Thinking in English is a skill. It can be learned. It can be practiced. And it can become automatic, just like riding a bicycle. Part 2. Why translating slows you down. Many learners feel nervous or slow when they try to speak. The reason? They're translating every sentence in their head. This slows down your thinking. It creates confusion. Even if you know vocabulary and grammar, translation can make it hard to speak fluently. Also, translation is not always correct. Some languages use a different sentence structure. For example, in English we say a red car. But in some languages it may be a car red. So, when you translate word by word, your sentence might sound strange, or even wrong. That's why our goal is simple. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. And now, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Part 3, 5 Practical Tips to Think in English. Tip number 1. Describe what you see. Look around you. Say what you see in English, in your mind. I see a chair. There is a tree outside. I am drinking water. No one needs to hear you. Just think silently in English. If you don't know a word, no problem. Look it up later and try again tomorrow. This is how you train your brain, step by step. Tip number 2. Think about your plans. In the morning, think about your day in English. Today I will go to work. I will meet my friend at 6 p.m. I want to study English for 30 minutes. In the evening, review your day. I went to the supermarket. I cooked dinner. I watched a movie. No need to speak out loud, just think. This helps your mind stay in English all day. Tip number 3. Use visual thinking. When you see something, like a spoon or a book, don't ask yourself, what is this in English? Just think directly, spoon, book, phone, shoes. Don't use your native language at all. See the object and connect it straight to the English word. That's how children learn. And that's how your English brain will grow. Tip number 4. Practice shadowing. This is my favorite tip, and it really works. Find a short video or audio in English. Listen to a native speaker. Then repeat exactly what they say, right after them. Try to copy their speed, their voice, their rhythm. For example, they say, "I'm going to the store." You immediately repeat, "I'm going to the store." No pausing. No translating. Just listen and speak. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Tip number 5. Use English in simple moments. While walking. The sun is shining. There is a dog barking. While cooking. I'm washing the rice. I'm adding salt. While cleaning. I'm folding the clothes. I'm sweeping the floor. These simple thoughts build your thinking muscle in English. And they work even if you are a beginner. Part 4. Daily 4-Step Routine. Now let's put it all together. Here is your daily routine, only 4 steps. Step 1. Morning thinking. When you wake up, take 1 minute. Think about your day in English. While brushing your teeth or drinking tea, say in your mind, "Today I will go to the market. I will study English in the afternoon." Step 2. Describe what you see. During the day, look around. Say what you see silently in English. I see a man on a bicycle. There is a child playing with a ball. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Choose a podcast or video. Listen and repeat. Do it for just 5 to 10 minutes. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just keep going. Step 4. Evening review. Before bed, close your eyes and think about your day, in English. I ate lunch. I finished my homework. I called my sister. Repeat these steps every day. Your brain will get used to English thinking, slowly, naturally, and confidently. Part 5. Closing message. Let me tell you one final thing. Thinking in English is not magic. It is not talent. It is a habit, a skill that you can build. Be patient with yourself. Be kind. Make mistakes. Keep practicing. One day, without even noticing, your brain will start thinking in English automatically. That's the moment everything changes. Thank you for joining me today. This is Alpha English Learning, and I'm Emily. Keep thinking in English. Keep practicing. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.